Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door handle on a Nissan Qashqai. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a few basic tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a flat screwdriver, a Torx 20-bit, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet wrench. Make sure you have your new door handle ready to go. Always work in a well-lit space to ensure you can see all the small components clearly. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Use a plastic trim tool to carefully detach any decorative covers, especially around the door handle and armrest. Locate and remove any screws, often a 10mm socket or Torx 20, that secure the panel. Gently pry the door panel from the bottom and sides to release the clips. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors for switches before fully removing the panel. Now let's remove the faulty door handle. First, locate and remove the small rubber cover on the door's edge. Inside, you'll find a Torx 20 screw. Loosen it, but do not fully remove it to prevent it from falling inside the door. This allows you to slide out the small end cap of the handle. Then, push the main handle to the left, lift it, and pull it out. Disconnect the actuator cable from the handle. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Connect the actuator cable to the new handle. Carefully slide the new handle into its housing, ensuring it sits correctly, then tighten the Torx 20 screw to secure it. Reconnect all electrical wiring to the door panel switches. Align the door panel clips and firmly push it back into place. Finally, reattach all interior trim covers and test the new handle's operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.